Tooth Fairy. Hi bitches, what's up, what's good? It's been a minute since I talked to y'all, and I feel so bad because I got pierced, you know, new tats. Like, I had a vlog where I showed y'all me getting my Hello Kitty tat, but I got 2 new tats after that. I just been going, y'all. I've been gone, but girl, I changed my makeup routine so much, and it eats down. I look at my old makeup videos, I'm like, girl, this is so ghetto. Like, it's still ghetto now, but like, this is like good ghetto. That was just like ghetto. Today we're doing my new everyday makeup, so keep watching. Y'all, I used to think that primer was a scam until I started using primer, and I was like, wait, why does this work? I use eyeshadow to do my I use eyeshadow to do my eyebrows instead of pomade. I don't know, it just works better for me. But instead of using black, because my hair is like a brown, I'm gonna use a dark brown.
What is that?
I know I look scary. I look like the Lorax. Sorry, but concealer's gonna save us, I promise. Okay, so now I let this sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna do my base. I did my phone say no storage. I just had to clear up space just now. And we're in the middle of the important part of this video. And now since we blended out, English is not working today, our under eye, we can use the bottom of our beauty blender and start blending the under part of our concealer on our eyelid. See how smooth that is? Like, yeah, I know what I be talking about, y'all. Now I'm gonna leave this until pretty much the end because I really want it to like be set, but we can just move on now. Now when it comes to baking, I use 2 different powders. I use Airspun, which I'm almost out of this. I had this for so long, so let me just tell y'all, this lasts you some time. And I'm somebody who likes to bake their face, so I use a lot of it, and it still lasts me a long time, so that's how you know something. And I need a new powder puff. I need to get new makeup brushes and like beauty blenders and stuff like that. That's the next makeup things that I need to start buying soon. But anyways, I use this under my eye. I use that for, and I let that sit. And then I use this LA Colors pressed powder for the rest of my face to make it, what do you call it? Smudge proof. I have no time for my makeup to be moving nowhere. None at all. On the eyes too. I don't use liquid bronzers or liquid blushes. I don't know, like, I just love powder products because I feel like I have more control. I use the Envy X Kiss blush. I got this from Shein, and obviously I love it. Now for highlighter, I got this highlighter palette from Shein, and obviously it's ran through the mud. Gotta get another. And I also use this J Cass highlight, and it's blue. Okay, so my eyes started watering, and obviously you can see like the glitter dripping a little bit, but we're gonna pretend that did not happen, babe. And now we're gonna do some mascara. Oh, for my eyeliner, this is the NYX Epic Wear waterproof eyeliner, and I love this stuff. Eyeliner done, and I'm gonna take some of this white eyeshadow, put it on my brush like this. I'm kind of gonna just go in at the bottom of my eye. I use these lashes from Amazon, so I'm gonna let the glue get tacky, and I just stack these on this side. As you can clearly see, I stacked them. And I'm letting it get tacky, and while that's doing what it does, we're gonna do my lip look. So yeah, I got some lip balm on, so I use dark brown eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is my best friend. I use it for everything but for my eyes, honestly. Just around the lip like this. I like sticky lip glosses. People be like, oh my gosh, I don't like my lip gloss sticky. I do. Like, am I weird for that? I don't know. The NK lip gloss is sticky, and I want sticky lip gloss. So people be like, I sell non-sticky lip gloss. I don't want to buy that.